I created Russell Brunson's exact bridge page on WordPress. Let me show you how I did it. All right, so as you guys can see, I have the different funnels here already set up in place, but the one we're going to be doing today is the bridge page funnel. So I went ahead and created a blank page so I can get this built out for you guys. So the first thing I'm gonna do is press that plus button, go to my save layouts, and I'm gonna hit a bridge page funnel right here. And then boom, that's done. Next page, this is going to be the thank you part of the bridge page funnel. So I named it bridge page. And then boom, there we go. So these funnels are already pre-built to completion. All we have to do is swap and go. So we'll start here. So the first thing we have here is the bridge funnel, as you guys can see. So we can go ahead and remove this because we won't need that, and we can remove that. And now we're left with this. So what we want to do here is go ahead and talk about some pumpkin spice. So I'm just going to use some of these example text to create this bridge page, first page for you guys. So the first thing we're going to do here is use this text right here. Gonna copy this right in your favorite holiday mug. Okay, great. Okay, next thing, add some more curiosity to the next one right here. Let's come back over here to our notes. Hidden technique with pumpkin spice. Copy that, bring it over here, paste that in just like that. And then we have the subscribe button, but we can change that down here. This where you can put your disclaimer section. And of course, we just want to switch up the background real quick. So we'll do that. Boom, got ourselves a nice little background. We'll go ahead and change these text out right here. We want to swap this blue for gold. And the same thing with this button right here. We'll go ahead and do that as well. We'll come over here to design, and it says button. And that's the text color. We want to leave it white, but we want to change the actual blue color to something gold, just like this. Okay, and just like that, guys, this is already done. Now of course, you know, you have to connect your email account to it in order for you to collect the leads. And as you can see, they have all of these different email softwares right here that you can connect using your account, and then you choose the list once you have your email connected. Okay, and so in a perfect world, let's say you connected your email and everything is done over here. Now we go to the bridge page part right here, which is where they'll be transferred to once they put their email in. And we can go ahead and delete this part right here. And this logo, we can put our logo in. So boom, we swapped our logo right here. This text right here, we can add some curiosity up in here, just like that. And that's done. And this is heading 1, so we can go ahead and change this heading, change it bold. And we want to change it from blue to our little gold here, just like that. All right, so as I have done here with this image, this is supposed to be the video that they're going to watch on the next page. So all I did was go ahead and screenshot a video from this lady's YouTube channel right here, and so I put the screenshot of the video right here. So this is not an actual video, this is just an image. Okay, the actual video is what they're going to watch once they click on it and go to the very next page. So let's continue with our copy here. I'm going to change that out just like that, and change this, change the font to bold, and leave it just like that. We're going to change this color back to gold, just like that. And then great, just like, all right. And now we are on our way down. So we'll go ahead and swap that out just like that. Add some space in there so it doesn't look so congested. Swap everything out right here. Boom, that's done. Now we're on to our bullets and done. So we are all done with our bullet points. We can go ahead and change this button right here. Change that gold. Okay. We can go back to the content of the text and say get your lessons now, and we want to scroll down, change our logo just like that. Oh, and one last thing is our background. And just like that, guys, we have our fully built bridge funnel in just a matter of minutes. We really didn't have to build anything. All we had to do was swap out a couple of things, and as you can see, it's already done. So if I wanted to connect this image to that YouTube video, this is what I would do. We'll come to that YouTube video, we'll come here, press that share button, collect that YouTube link, come here, go to this video, press that settings button, and it clearly says link right here. All I would do is use this link. I can choose if I want to open in this very same video, in this very same window, or I can choose open a new tab. I want them to believe that they're on the same website, right? So I'm just going to leave it in the same window. Press that check mark, press publish. Great. Now once that's finished publishing, I'm gonna go ahead and exit the visual builder, and as you guys can see, this is our bridge page just like that. And over here is the same. This is our landing page, or the first part of the bridge page, right? And this is the thank you part, and they'll read and whatnot, and then they can press this button, in which we didn't link yet, so we can go ahead and link that. But as of right now, we linked this image. So if I wanted to go ahead and check this picture out, boom,
okay,
look at that.
Oh, it's hard to believe.
Just like that, guys. Look how easy that was, and it's in the same window. So in order for me to go back, I would have to go back just like that. And if I wanted to go ahead and link this button, I would go ahead and put the same link in this button just like that, and I will go ahead and I would save the entire page. Now once the page is saved, boom, it is completely finished. So they can click this video right here, or they can click this button, and they'll both is going to take them to this lady's YouTube channel. But in you guys' case, it'll take them to the affiliate page that you want them to go to. Now you're probably wondering, what does this actually look like on a mobile device? Well, I made sure that when I optimize these funnels, that it looks great on mobile. So as you can see, it looks just fine. Now if you guys ever wanted to, you know, adjust the text, that's no problem at all. All we have to do is come here, and all we have to do is just bring it down some. That's it, just like that, and then that'll be done. And the same thing here, if you guys wanted to bring this text down as well, we're gonna do the same thing. Just go ahead and slide that down just like that. Done, just like that. And all of these is already done. Same thing with the button. If we wanted to make that smaller, all we got to do is come here, and just as simple as that, that's done. And the same thing with the front page as well. We go and see how it look on mobile. It looks absolutely beautiful. And again, if you guys ever wanted to shrink down the title, it's very, very simple. Just come down to the title. You clearly see where the title color is. It's that nice gold that we changed it to, and we can go ahead and swap that out just like that, and everything else looks perfectly beautiful. So what did you guys think? Was that easy or what? Do you think you can do that for your business? Do you believe you can have an affiliate offer up and running in no time using this bridge page funnel? Well, that's awesome. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this bridge page of funnel tutorial helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a comment down below. Like this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to see more funnels being built on WordPress from my man, Russell Brunson. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.